Black Friday is here, and if you're a ham radio operator or GMRS user, this is your moment. Because let's be honest, radios aren't cheap anymore. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving, and I appreciate you tuning in. Kind of with this Christmassy vibe and hearing my voice into my ears, I'm kind of getting these Delilah feels. Anyway, we're not going to sing love songs to you tonight. But anyway, hope you had a very great Thanksgiving, and you know what? It's time for Christmas now. So let's dive into it. Antennas aren't cheap. Radios aren't cheap. Power supplies aren't cheap either. Coax definitely isn't cheap. And unless you plan this right, you're going to miss out on the best deals of the whole year. So today I'm breaking down the only Black Friday buying guide you need as a ham radio operator. What to buy, what to avoid, what's actually worth your money, and what's nothing but marketing hype. Guys, I do want to go ahead and call your attention. Down below in the description, you see several affiliate links. First place I want you to take a look at is the Amazon link. Amazon Prime Days, big deal Black Friday Days is here if you're watching this Thursday night or Friday. So start shopping with Amazon first. You'll see that as the first link down in the description. So go check out Amazon. Other than that, there are several other links down in the description. I want you to use those too as your Christmas shopping. All of those will help HamShackTV, so I certainly appreciate that. Let's start with a big myth. I'll just buy whatever's on sale. No, that's not the greatest idea. That's how you end up with a drawer full of $29 radios that don't hit a repeater past your driveway. Black Friday isn't about buying more junk. It's about buying the right gear at the right time. So here's my straight shooting Black Friday playbook for anyone in amateur radio, GMRS, or emergency communications. Buy a good handheld. Now, on Amazon, as I said before, you're going to find a bunch of $15, $29 Baofengs. Those are fine, a great starter radio, but if you really want to buy quality, Yaesu, ICOM, Kenwood, Anytone. Any of those. I don't have an ICOM anymore. I used to have an ICOM, but I have this guy right here. This is one of my favorite radios, favorite interface ever. This is the Yaesu FT5D. What a great radio to mess with. Back here on my little table, you can see I've got a few other radios there. I've got an Anytone 878. I've got a Kenwood TH75. Also have a Wax-On. And that Wax-On is, you can buy that Wax-On from Better Safe Radio. You'll find a link in the description down below down there. They may actually have a special deal right now. I don't know for sure. But if you use my coupon code at checkout, HamShackTV, or excuse me, AA4WX7, you're going to get 7% off. They're already great prices. But please buy a good handheld, not a toy, not a paperweight either. A real HD that'll last. Black Friday is the best time of year to upgrade. My recommendations are linked below through my Amazon affiliate page, as well as the Better Safe Radio page. You guys already know that helps the channel, and I appreciate every single one of you that uses those affiliate links. Number 2 is portable antennas. If you only buy one thing this Black Friday, make it an antenna upgrade. It will outperform any radio upgrade dollar for dollar. A good whip, a jelly, or a roll-up J-pole, a mag mount for the car. These change everything. Number 3, GMRS gear. GMRS is on fire right now, and the holiday deals are insane. Mobile radios, base stations, family units. This is a huge opportunity to upgrade your entire household communication setup. Remember, everyone in your household is entitled to use your GMRS license, not your ham radio license, but just your GMRS license. Better Safe Radio also has good deals on a GMRS radio, so go check them out. Also, some of those Baofeng versions of GMRS radios are available on the Amazon link as well. Number 4, portable backup gear, power banks, solar panels, power stations, LiPo 4 batteries. Black Friday always has deep cuts on this type of stuff. Definitely on Amazon. And trust me, when the grid goes down, we'll care more about power than radios. Number 5, programming gear. Cables, adapters, USB interfaces, and Digirig. Have a link to a Digirig down in the description down below. That also helps the channel grow and help the channel flourish. Make sure you go check out Digirig for any kind of digital radio needs, but also you can get a lot of these programming cables via Amazon as well. Prices spike after December every single year. Number 6, shack upgrades, coax, connectors, SWR meters, HF accessories. All of it gets cheap this time of year, and it's worth stocking up. And look, Black Friday isn't about spending money recklessly. It's about being smart. It's about finally grabbing the gear you've been putting off for a year at the only time the price makes sense, actually. Couple places. If you're looking for coax and connectors, ABR Industries. You can see a link for ABR down in the description down below. Make sure to go check them out. ABR has some great coax, some great connectors. They can make a custom cable for you depending on what you need. ABR Industries, links down in the description down below. Also, Gigaparts. Gigaparts has a lot of great ideas. I do not receive commissions from Gigaparts. However, Gigaparts is a supporter of the channel, and I will tell you, if you make any purchase through them, you get double reward points, and those points add up pretty quick to be cash back, or cash off, I should say. And if you buy Icom, Yacy, or Kenwood through Gigaparts, you not only get double points, you get 4 times the points. So check out Gigaparts. The reason I bring up Gigaparts at this point is because of Mezzi and Poloni coax. Really, really great coax. My buddy Jason, Henry 2.0 is a big supporter of Mezzi. That's available through Gigaparts. So go check it out. Either ABR or Gigaparts with Mezzi and Poloni. Either one is a fantastic choice. Every link is below my Amazon shop, my recommendations, and everything I personally use. And before I wrap this up, I want to say thank you. Thank you for using my affiliate links. Thank you for supporting this channel. And thank you for being part of HamShackTV. Thank you for helping this community grow into something incredible. I'm Josh, AA4WX, WSCB 69373.